How to fix liquid detected in lightning connector. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and unplug the lightning cable or accessory immediately, as if your phone is charging, safely disconnect from the power. Now, go ahead and use a soft, lint-free cloth like a microfiber towel to wipe the lightning port and the cable tip. Now go ahead and place your iPhone in a dry area with good airflow, such as an open window or a fan blowing gently. Make sure to keep it upright, such as the lightning port facing downward, so the gravity helps any moisture to drain out. Now, wait for at least 30 minutes before trying to reconnecting anything, and if the alert still appears, wait longer. Sometimes drying can take up to 24 hours. And if you need to charge your phone urgently, then you can use a MagSafe or a QI wireless charger, as these don't use the lightning port. Further, go ahead and see the alert after drying your iPhone, and if the alert is still coming, then sometimes the cable connector itself may have moisture or corrosion. So you can go ahead and try some different cable and see if that fixes your issue, and if not, then open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar there and search for water remover in the search bar, and you will see various options to eject water from your iPhone. So go ahead and download any of the option available there, and further open the water ejector app and follow the prompts in order to eject the water from your iPhone, and this will help you remove water from your iPhone or any type of moisture ejected in your iPhone. And if this does not fix your issue too, then you can try to restart your device and ensure the port is completely dry. And if the warning keeps appearing, then you might need to visit an Apple store or authorized service provider and contact Apple support for further queries. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix liquid detected in lightning connector. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.